Okay, here's an example of a Chinese three-phase motor running off a KB Genesis three-phase synthesized controller. Real nice controller in that it takes 120 volts in and transforms it and changes it into variable frequency 240 volt three-phase, so you can run a 240 volt motor, obviously with a VL sharpener setup. Real nice controller, pretty easy to get going. Requires more wires to hook everything up because you got three-phase going on. It's got slow start, which is nice. It doesn't just jump on there. It's pretty idiot-proof. You can just push it in reverse and it'll automatically slow down and change direction. So you can do edge sharpening, edge leading or edge trailing on this thing. Pretty nice. You can turn it down, it'll keep the torque going. You can see I've got a little bit of wobble here. I had to drill out the shaft on the pulley to get it to fit the Chinese motor, and I had forgotten that I have a really old drill press where the adjustable bench on the drill press is not exactly perpendicular, and so I got a tiny bit of wobble in there. It doesn't hurt knife sharpening. On this thing, if you turn things down enough, again, even though it's three-phase, you're stalling out the motor. You'll heat up the motor. Eventually, you burn it up. It's got totally enclosed fan, totally enclosed motor with a fan here that blows across the outside of the fan enclosure to keep it cool. What's it called? TFC or something like that. Anyway, I'll often run this thing, I don't know, 1/4 speed or something like that. I'm not a pro knife sharpener. I'm a hobby sharpener, so I like to be able to take things slow. Then I can do the feed on the knife slower. I don't have to try and do the feed on the knife really fast to avoid from ruining the knife. Okay, so that's an example of a little three-phase system. Why did I do this? I did this because I'm an electrical engineer and I enjoy it, okay? Cost me a couple $100 more to do this than to do some other simpler motor technology that I'll show next, which is a DC-powered motor.